Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to attempt to take this somewhat straight hair back to curly, and then I'm going to straighten it again. I made a decision that I am going to wear my hair straight for the remainder of the winter months. It's a little bit easier. I'm going to use my handy dandy water bottle. I got this from my local beauty supply. I love this thing. This is the mist bottle. You actually need to utilize the mist bottle to wet your hair before using one of my favorite products. Take a look. This is the Creme of Nature with arganoil from Morocco. Natural hair. It has apple cider vinegar. It's a clarifying rinse. It removes product buildup, seals the cuticle, helps prevent the natural pH of hair, or helps protect, sorry, the natural pH of hair, refreshes the scalp. It has no petroleum, no sulfates, silicones, mineral oil, no alcohol, and no mixing needed. This stuff is awesome. You just spritz your hair with a little bit of water, get your scalp damp as well, and then go ahead and put this on. It has a applicator bottle at the, or applicator nozzle at the top here, which is pretty awesome. It makes application very easy. You just take it and squeeze like so. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing throughout this video. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna use my spray bottle. We're gonna spray some water on it. After about a minute, you should see curls. Where are my curls? There we go. It's messy and it will burn the hell out of your eyes, so keep it away from your eyes. Alright y'all, this is the part that really matters because my hair in the front tends to be a lot looser than my hair in the back and on the sides for whatever reason. So if this converts back to curly, that is going to be a success for real. don't know. It's getting there, y'all. It's getting there. Not completely converted yet. I still see some stringy ends like right here and right there, but for the most part, we are back. Sure that you gently massage and rub your scalp. This is going to help to clarify your scalp and cleanse it of any oils or any product buildup that might be stuck in those pores. Then I just go ahead and twist my hair up like so to put it out of the way while I work on the other section. Before I start the next section, I wanted to show you guys what my shirt looks like. I'm soaked. Looks like I just got out of the pool. Well, at least on one side. So just be ready for that. This stuff is very messy. It does get sticky once it starts to dry. It's very watery, and yeah, it will burn your eye if you get it in your eye. So steer clear of that. And all right, let's continue on. So I had it pinned up and I wanted to go ahead and let it down so you all can see one last time what it looks like at the bottom. It is pretty curly. Again, I got it wet the other day, well, about 2 weeks ago, I think it was. We had a really big snowstorm, and this is the result of that. So, as you can see again, it's kind of curly at the bottom. It's trying to revert back. I don't know if I mentioned it to you guys, but this stuff has like a tingly feeling on your scalp. Once you put it onto your scalp, it leaves a nice tingly feeling, leaves your scalp feeling nice and refreshed. I love this stuff. This also is really good to use when you're going to straighten your hair or flat iron your hair. It helps to clean all of those impurities and things off of your scalp that you don't want. It also cleans the oil. It strips the oil from your strands. Oil kind of locks onto your strands to hold in the moisture, and it's very, very hard to break those bonds and remove the oil buildup. So this stuff is perfect for that. If you're going to be flat ironing your hair, I recommend using this first. side, and this is what we are looking like. Pretty good. I think that we still have a little bit of room for converting. It's not completely back to my original curl pattern, but making some progress. Okay, finally we are down to the last section. So let's see what happened. We got past the hardest two. I was so anxious to see how well those two front pieces would convert, and so far so good. So let's get started and finish up this back section so we can get this scrap rinse out. Curls happening already. That's super exciting. Yeah, so it was a success. I had no problem converting my hair from straight back to curly using this goodie, oldie but goodie. I've been using this bad boy, like I said, for a couple of years. I swear by it. I used this along with my handy dandy spray bottle together. They were able to help me in converting my hair back to curly. And like I said, over in the next video, we are going to straighten it again. We're going to try to make it last for at least 3 weeks because we don't want to keep putting heat on our hair, of course. So check out the next video. Thanks for watching. Again, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe below. See you in the next one.
You love it like some milk.